the beginning of the summer, I was very, very bullish on this. My end of the summer target was $30 for the end of September. And as of right now, we've more than hit that target. And I actually think there's a good chance that we could see price back up at $40 within the next couple of months, potentially by the end of the year. I want to explain to you guys very briefly why I believe that. If we zoom out on the charts to not just a 1 hour or shorter time frame, but we actually zoom out all the way to the monthly, you're going to notice that since bottoming back around $6 in 2022, specifically in December, price has bounced back over our market bias indicator, which is a very good sign. The market bias has been expanding, which is a very good sign. And for the past 3 months, the BX trender, which is this oscillator at the bottom of the screen, has been making higher highs. This is a clear indication that there is money behind this big move. But it's very important to understand the money coming through and how much power we have at this point, because we're stepping into a very strong liquidity level. A liquidity level is not just a regular resistance. A liquidity level is going to be a section of the chart where price taps multiple times, almost to perfection. It even looks like it's too perfect. That is usually going to be the sign of liquidity. You can see that this area, basically between $26 to $30, price has rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times back here to 2021, came up rejected again a 9th time in 2024 of March, and now we're pushing into that level. The more times that we push and test a liquidity level, the higher of a chance that that breakout will happen. And once we're pushed and held over the liquidity level, that is where all of these selling orders will flip and we will see a massive push in price, probably back up to $40. Now, liquidity levels happen on many different time frames, and we can even see if we go to the daily chart on Palantir that we've had multiple liquidity levels in the past couple of months. One liquidity level that you're going to notice is sitting right about here of about $20 up to about $22. Price had pushed up and rejected into this level multiple times before finally having liquidity taken out after earnings in February, followed by a massive run. If we look at most recent price action, you're going to notice that we've had a liquidity level resistance from February 2024 all the way up until July of 2024. It wasn't until we took out that liquidity level, came back and tested, that now we're moving into higher highs. And so I will say that I am not a buyer of Palantir here. For what I mean is that I am bullish, but I wouldn't be starting a position here. The most optimal time to be starting a position would have been on that pullback down to $21 at the beginning of this month. Anywhere between 21 to 18 would have been perfect. But at this point, the risk versus reward is just not worth it for me. Let me know what you guys think about Palantir. Let me know if you think $40 is going to happen, when you think it's going to happen by, and if you think I'm crazy and we're going to probably reject, let me know as well. Thanks for all the support, guys. I'll see you next time.